Changing voicemail message on a Samsung phone.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple steps of changing your voicemail message on your Samsung phone. This is a great way to customize your voicemail and let your contacts know they've reached you, even when you're unavailable.
Why change your voicemail message?
Changing your voicemail message allows you to personalize the greeting that people hear when they call you. Instead of hearing a generic greeting, they hear a personalized message from you. It can be especially helpful when you're busy, out of the office, or unable to answer calls.
Accessing your voicemail.
To begin, access your voicemail by pressing and holding the 1 key on your phone's dial pad. You'll be prompted to enter your voicemail password if it's set up already. If not, follow the voice prompts to set it up.
Navigating to the voicemail settings.
Once you're in your voicemail, listen for the voice prompt to guide you through the different options. Look for Personal Options or similar, which will lead you to settings where you can change your greeting.
Recording your new message.
Upon reaching the voicemail settings, choose the option for Greeting or Personal Greeting. The system will then guide you to record your new voicemail message. After recording, you'll have the option to listen to it, re-record it if you're not satisfied, or save it if you are. Tip: remember to keep your message brief, clear, and friendly. State your name, and let callers know when they can expect a call back.
Saving and confirming your message.
Once you're satisfied with your message, follow the prompts to save it. The system will confirm that your new voicemail message is saved. To ensure it has been changed, you can call your own number and listen to your new greeting. And that's it. You've successfully changed your voicemail message on your Samsung phone. It's a simple and effective way to personalize your phone and manage your calls better. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.